Welcome to Brooklyn's $15 million Brownstone, a masterpiece hiding a secret you'll never expect, right in the heart of New York City. Step inside and you're greeted by soaring ceilings, hand-carved details, and a floating staircase that feels straight out of a modern dream. The living room flows with natural light through massive floor-to-ceiling windows, blending 19th century charm with 21st century luxury. This chef's kitchen is all Italian marble, brass fixtures, and custom oak cabinetry, where elegance meets everyday comfort. Upstairs, the master suite feels like a private penthouse with a marble fireplace, skylights, and a walk-in closet the size of a studio. The ensuite bathroom? A spa sanctuary, soaking tub, rainfall shower, and soft sunlight spilling through frosted glass. Around the corner, a glass-walled study and book-lined library, the perfect escape for creative minds. But here's the real magic. Behind these glass doors lies a hidden garden. Lush greenery, stone pathways, and a private fountain. Your own world away from the city. And on top of it all, a rooftop terrace with skyline views of Manhattan, perfect for sunsets, solitude, or celebration. So tell me, would you live in this Brooklyn brownstone if it meant keeping a garden secret from the world? Comment below.